In today's video, we take a look at a small business idea that you can start at home. Number 1. Hair oils. One of the most profitable home business ideas is production of hair oil. Most people like to have attractive, beautiful and healthy hair, and they buy hair oil for this every day. You can easily start this business. Business number 2. Dry snacks. Most people prefer to eat a snack before eating lunch or dinner, and also because they are very tasty and have a compact packaging. It is much more easier to carry. Number 3. Mobile phone accessories. You can make interesting and cute accessories for all kinds of mobile phones with the help of your creativity. Number 4. Organic fertilizer. The demand for organic fertilizer is increasing every day because people like to use organic products more. And one of the most important parameters for the production of organic products is an organic fertilizer. Number 5. Banana chips manufacturing. The demand for banana chips is growing in the world market. If you are interested in producing a delicious snack, you can produce this product. Number 6. Cupcake making. Cupcake is one of the most popular bakery items, and almost every age group of people love this cake. Also, this business does not need a lot of capital and you can easily start this business. Number 7. Potato chips manufacturing. One of the most best-selling snacks in the world are potato chips, and forecast shows that the market value of this market will reach over $40 billion by 2028. Number 8. Biscuit making. If you like baking cookies and then you can convert your hobby into your business, the online homemade cookies business is one of the best business ideas you can start at your home. Now let's go to this important question that might be interesting for you to know the answer. Is a home business profitable? I just say yes if you have business plan and stick to it completely, and most importantly, if you love your business idea, your business can be very profitable. And if you want to start cleaning service business, make sure to watch this video. Stay healthy and wealthy.